One of my patients used charcoal toothpaste and tooth whitening strips for 7 days and came to me in a panic. Let's talk about it. What really happened to her teeth and why this viral trend might be destroying your smile. Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nutri Smile. In today's video, I will be talking about the effects of charcoal toothpaste and tooth whitening strips on your teeth. So stay tuned till the end. One of my patients walked in last week saying, "Doc, I switched to charcoal toothpaste because Instagram said it whitens the teeth fast. 7 days later, her teeth were feeling sensitive, her gums were sore, and worst of all, the whitening was just a filter fantasy." So let's burst the charcoal myths. Yes, it's trendy. But no, it's not safe for daily use, dear. Charcoal is abrasive. Imagine brushing your teeth with a sandpaper, man. Over time, it wears down your enamel, leading to sensitivity, yellowing of teeth, and even the gum recession. Your teeth enamel doesn't grow back. Once it is gone, it's gone. That temporary white glow, it's just the surface stain being scratched off while the damage goes deeper and deeper. Stop treating your Instagram or TikTok as a professional dentist. Seek the advice from the dentist. Stick to the dentist approved fluoride toothpaste. Use whitening products only under the professional supervision. Remember, my friend, trends fade, but your teeth, you need them for your life. Don't you? Don't follow viral trends blindly. Follow your dentist. If you want teeth whitening, there are many options available like bleaching and many more. If this video added a little value to your knowledge, consider liking it, share amongst your loved ones, and save your smile with NutriSmile. Comment below, have you tried charcoal toothpaste? What was your experience? Like, share this with someone obsessed with whitening products, and subscribe to my YouTube channel NutriSmile for more real talks from your dentist. Okay, bye guys. Stay tuned for the next video.